Hello, so we're back, and this time we have a nice HP laptop to repair. This is a classic HP laptop. Now let's check the customer email. So the customer is saying my daughter's laptop has suddenly died. The main charger has power, but when I try to turn the laptop on, it does not power up. So we know the laptop is dead. But before we are starting, let's speak about today's video sponsor, PCBWay. PCBWay is your one-stop solution based on the fact that all kinds of PCBs, 3D printing, CNC, sheet metal are available from them. Every new register, they are getting $5 welcome bonus, which is about 10 PCBs. So you will get 10 PCBs for free. All you have to do is to pay for the postage. Now I did check myself the PCB quality. We can clearly see here we are speaking about a top-notch PCB manufacturer. Now don't forget you can check the link on the description and you can place your first order. Now let's go back to our repair. I will say let's plug a charger. Yeah, we have a blue pin charger. Let's see what it's doing. HP blue pin. Okay, so we have the charger. Let's switch to 19 volts. Plug in the charger, and it's doing nothing. It's taking no current, nothing. Let's try to press 140. I think this is the pre-charge current, and we do have the charging light there. Check there, you can see the charging light. Yeah. Pressing the power button, and the laptop it is coming on. So yeah, check there. We have the power on light there. You can see it, but no picture on the screen. No picture at all. And the current is too low. The current is very low. And we have picture. No, we have backlight. We have picture. Enter to reboot the system. Wait, now I'm confused. I mean, why we got a good laptop for repair? And it's working. Huh? What's going on here? You think of was like a frozen BIOS and the customer didn't know to reset the BIOS. Actually, this laptop has no screws. Check here. So I'm pretty sure the customer reset the BIOS. And it's working fine. You think the customer has a dodgy charger? You think it's some kind of RAM issue? Okay, on this case, it's nothing what we can do. You just to speak with the customer, tell him his laptop is working, and I'm not gonna charge him for that. The thing is, the charging current is 150 milliamps, and it's not okay. I mean, if the laptop doesn't have screws, let's take the cover out and let's check the charging just to be sure. I mean, one more time, the customer is saying the main charger has power. When I try to turn the laptop on, it does not power up. That's what the customer is saying. The customer clearly reset the BIOS because soon as we power up the laptop, it loads the BIOS, and the laptop is open. Or the customer is testing my honesty. If he's doing something like that, he picked up the wrong person. Nah, it's more important how I sleep. Yeah, that's more important than money. So plugging again the charger. I'm never gonna charge money if I don't deserve them. So it's still taking 150 milliamps. I'm assuming this is the charging coil. No, I'm pretty sure he has a charger issue. So we have 9.1 volts. but the voltage is going up, and the charger switched to 1.4 amps. Yeah, everything is fine. What can I do in this case? What you will do in this case? Probably checking the hinge. Yeah, that's very important. Every time when you have a laptop open, you check the hinge screws. Yeah, the hinge are fine. Pressing the power button one more time. The laptop is not working. That's crazy. Wait, the laptop just died on my desk. Pressing the. I mean, why the current is going down to 0? It was like 1 point. Check that, 0. 0. And the CMOS got reset. How the CMOS got reset? I done nothing. No, 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 no. Don't get this wrong. This doesn't have a BIOS battery. So the BIOS is supported by the battery, by the big battery. And it's working fine. Look, the current, why the current is going down to 0 is driving me crazy. When I move the, yeah, it's 0. You seen that? Because I don't have enough current. That's crazy. Okay, it's my fault. But still, this doesn't explain why the BIOS got reset again. It's taking like 3 amps. Check there. Nah, it's all good. All good. I'm plugging the charger, and yeah, the battery still is holding the charge. Yeah, it's looking good. I mean, like nearly 3 amps. Yeah, it's fine. Let me shut down the laptop because I'm not good with the BIOS reset thingy. Okay, so the laptop is off. It's taking 1.5 amps. Yeah, it's charging the battery. I'm plugging the charger. Let's see what is happening. The BIOS is getting reset again. Plug in the charger. And we have the pre-charge current, like 80 milliamps, 1.5 amps. And if we are pressing the power button, no, it's working straight away. Okay, I will let the laptop without the charger for a few minutes. Meanwhile, let's check for water damage. And no, the board is looking fine. I can't see any water damage on the board. Especially around the battery connector. No. The EC chip is looking fine. I mean, everything is looking fine on this board. No, all good. It's all good. Let's plug the charger one more time. Plug in the charger. Pressing the power button. Let's see what is happening. And it's working fine. No BIOS issue. On this case, I don't know what to do. The laptop is fine. It's nothing left than, speak with the customer and see what he's saying. But I'm pretty sure his problem is actually the charger. Yeah, happy for him. Happy for him. Sad for me? No, I'm not sad. No, no, no. I still get my pizza. Don't worry. I have my diagnosis fee, which is 25 pounds, which is a large pizza. So I'm not disappointed. No, no, no. Doing the right thing is the way to go. Okay, the laptop is working, it's working. You can't say it's faulty. Okay, perfect. So I'm gonna stop now. Um, morality, it's it's a good it's kind of a good content, especially on this niche. So it's always better to do the right thing. So I'm gonna stop now. I will say thank you for watching. Like, subscribe if you like the video, and see you on the next one. Bye. I just stopped the video and sitting here and watching, and you can clearly see a different color on especially on the silver. So check here, yeah, check here on the EC chip. I mean, the laptop is still working. Don't get me wrong, but you see, I seen like a spot, and when you see a spot on the EC chip, something is going on there. So I believe actually the original fault, it was like the customer said, that it was not coming on, and probably got dry in the way here. But let's check under the microscope, yeah, because I believe that's actually the real problem with this laptop. So check there, you can clearly see some oxidation there. I think we can do it better with a polarized light, maybe, maybe not. No, yeah, something like that, and you can see the green stuff there. So I believe that's the issue with this laptop. So either there is a breach. Not sure if you can see the breach, but I can see it. So here it's a breach between those two pins, and also some green stuff. Not sure if that pin is still soldered. Looks like it's soldered. So I believe actually the customer issue is just a drop of water here. The pins look soldered, yeah. It's just a drop of water. Look, it's not charging anymore, and the charger is plugged in. Yeah, now start charging. Okay, let me disconnect the battery quickly. So the battery is disconnected. And we clean it nicely. Let's draw it. And we still have a bridge there. You can see the bridge? Yeah, I can see it. It's there. Check that. Yeah, it's a bridge. Yeah, now it's looking good. Now let's use a little bit of rosin flux, because the rosin, it will, it will isolate the pins. Perfect. Wow. That's unbelievable. Look what I did. Okay, we need some wickware. No, it's okay. It's okay. We can take the solder out. Perfect. So I'm not gonna clean the rosin. Rosin is a fantastic isolator, yeah? You don't have to clean it. Zoom out. Let's connect the battery. Screw. Plug in the charger. You remember we had a video with HP, the same. You remember HP and the EC chip was here, it was just a drop of water. Yeah. So it's taking 1.7 amps, pressing the power button, and the laptop is coming on. Yeah, we reset the BIOS. Yeah. We reset the BIOS. Obviously, we disconnected the battery. So we have to wait a little bit. And we have picture. Enter to reboot the system. Perfect. Now I can tell the customer, actually, I did found the issue with the laptop. Okay? Yeah, I'm gonna stop the video now. Bye.